知道你有啲咩感覺，有冇即係有啲搞笑嘢可唔可以同我哋分享下呢？
首先咧，好榮幸啦，好多謝我哋嘅康樂電影啦，俾呢個機會我可以同阿 Ivana 一齊為今次呢一個粵語版去聲演兩個好重要嘅角色啦。咁我諗最好即係最有趣嘅地方應該係因為劇情好特別啊。所以我喺入邊要用翻啲即係平時生活當中或者就算唱歌都唔會用到嘅聲咯，係好得意嘅。咁同埋好多人都喺度諗，究竟今次我係配邊個角色嘅咧？咁因為大家都知道，小王子喺漫畫入邊都係一個小朋友嘅角色啦。咁其實我係配小王子嘅，但係點樣有嗰個化學作用咧？咁大家真係要入戲院睇先知啦。
當然啦。So I've asked Hans about as the fans of The Little Prince, and this time he has the chance as a dubbing artist for dubbing for our movie. And I asked him, is there any fun thing or fun experience that he encountered during the dubbing? And he said that as this is a very fun movie, and that's why this time Hans used a little, very special voice, a funny voice that we have never heard before, besides your voice of singing.
Because the scenes are very special.
Very special. Definitely. So therefore, you must go to see the movie and make sure that you know how funny or what kind of voice that Hans has pretend and doing for our dub. Thank you, Hans. 唔該曬。好啦，咁首先問一問Ivana，亦都不如借助大家全場嘅掌聲俾少少Ivana先啦。咁首先梗係要多謝你啦，今次咧聽講話啦係今次你婚前最後一個公開活動嚟㗎咯噃。都係。咁我相信咧，你非常之期待咧，你人生嘅新嘅一章啦。而最重要嘅咧，其實今次我哋小王子呢一套電影咧，其實都係講緊一個小女孩點樣去揾小王子踏上呢個冒險之旅嘅。我唔知你得名嘅時候，又或者去代入呢個小女孩嘅角色，其實對於你嚟講，會唔會有啲咩特別嘅感受咧？
我覺得呢個小女孩係好勇敢嘅，同埋咧佢有啲性格同我好相似，即係佢都係個內心好多夢想，好想表達，好想為自己嘅夢想努力，但係咧有時會礙於佢嘅時間表咧就會框住咗自己，咁於是佢自己就要諗其他啲 creative 嘅方法，同埋要好多勇氣啦，又有佢識咗一個好朋友去幫助佢，令到佢夢想成真。咁呢個其實好鼓勵我自己。本身做一個 artist 要有嘅勇氣啦。
都揾啲好多朋友啦，好似大家都知道你有好多朋友㗎啦，係咪先 ？Definitely 啦。I've asked Ivana as we have to congratulate her as Mrs. So-to-be, and this is her last public appearance before her marriage. And as this movie is about exploration, and this time she has a chance to dub as the little girl in the movie, and she said that this is very similar with her own experience because this little girl is brave and also dreams to work very hard, but there's a time limit, so therefore she needs to use creative ways and make a lot of friends in order to achieve her goals. What a lovely way！ 好好啊！咁大家都知道㗎啦，我哋呢套《小王子》嘅電影咧，其實咧就會喺我哋12月24號平安夜就會上映㗎啦。咁除咗你欣賞呢一套電影，當然係我哋最好嘅聖誕禮物或者聖誕節目之外啦，唔知道兩位又點會慶祝今次呢個聖誕節咧？
你先啦。
我好簡單嘅，都係同愛人講。
先生喎。
應該都係。
好啊，咁軒仔咧？
哇，條流啊真係。
你喺隔離。
我咧就我今年嘅聖誕就會本身都應該請埋嘅，但係因為佢嗰陣時 honeymoon 啊，咁就唔係乜聖誕咪已經
你自己爆出嚟。
結完婚通常都係 honeymoon 嘅。咁今次就會今個聖誕節好啲啊，終於可以過聖誕節啦。咁之前同公司都請定假啦，咁就會同啲同事同啲好朋友一齊開 party。
That's great. So the official release of this Little Prince movie is on December 24th, which is tightly with our Christmas, which is a really good event for the Christmas. You can enjoy the movie and enjoy our Christmas holidays. So I've asked both artists, Ivana and Hans, how are they going to celebrate this Christmas? As Ivana said, we have no doubt she will celebrate her Christmas with Mr. So. Very sweet of you. And Hin can feel that it's very sweet. It's like honey sweet, okay, here. And Hin said, yeah, as Ivana is going for honeymoon, so therefore he's gonna invite the other friends, a lot of friends. And this time is the only year, the few years for this year you can enjoy Christmas.
同埋咧，我想話咧，我哋都喺度 plan 緊我哋兩個，因為啱啱啲時間有啲出入咧，我哋 plan 緊我哋兩個一齊咧包場啊，去請我哋嘅好朋友一齊去睇呢一個我哋配音嘅呢個版本嘅時候。
So both of the artists are going to book the whole house in order to invite their friends to watch the Little Prince movie. How sweet of the both of you. Thank you. 真係好開心啊！我相信今日聖誕對於兩位嚟講真係別具意義㗎。Thank you。好啦，咁啊唔該曬兩位啦。咁今次呢個聖誕節其實咁開心之外啦，咁當然要請兩位來報啦，因為今次咧亦都有請我哋嘅主禮嘉賓啦，我哋有請我哋太古廣場嘅總經理邵婉儀小姐，同埋安樂影片嘅發行部總經理楊小姐嚟到台前主持太古廣場小王子電影展覽嘅祝酒儀式，又為我哋今次呢一個展覽展開序幕嘅。So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like to invite Miss Fiona Hsu, the General Manager of the Pacific Place, and Miss Esther Young, the General Manager of the Distribution Department of Anchor Film Limited, here as the closing ceremony to launch this magical movie exhibition, The Little Prince. Okay, but first, 不如我哋有請幾位呢？不如企前少少喺 R 嗰度唔係咁靚喎，係啦。跟住我哋有請四位，不如企埋少少，跟住咧就一齊高舉個杯俾我哋嘅傳媒朋友影張相先，係啦，高舉個杯啊嚇，但係唔好遮到個樣喎嚇，冇所謂，係啦，高舉個杯，但係唔好遮到個樣俾我哋中間嘅傳媒朋友影翻兩張靚相先。少少重係啦，咁其實啦，打開呢本嘢之後咧，最開心嗰個位咧，其實就喺呢一度啦。哇！為大家介紹一下，其實而家手上面呢一本咧就係法國原裝小王子72週年全球限量嘅紀念套裝嚟㗎。揭開封面之後咧，就會見到有自動播放我哋小王子嘅電影預告，咁就好似進入咗小王子嘅童話世界。咁喺裏邊啊，好望一望先，望一望我哋傳媒朋友。咁除咗，好，仲有中間。好，咁麻煩阿軒仔幫我哋掀埋呢一版白色嘅呢一版，跟住另外係掀埋佢，放翻埋佢，掀埋，跟住另外再掀開佢，就會見到有好多道具喺最尾嗰版㗎啦，道具一次過啦，喺度打開啲道具，冇錯啦，喺呢個套裝裏面咧，仲附送咗呢個電影特別版嘅小王子故事書同埋精美嘅狐狸公仔。等等嘅呢一啲會喺電影出現嘅道具實物，所以呢一本書可以話係72週年極具收藏價值。I'm sure everyone loves this. This is a limited edition for the 72nd anniversary for our The Little Prince. What a great souvenir we have here. 好，再望一望我哋中間鏡頭。好，不如四位一齊再影一張相好唔好啊？Let's have the four of